I'm thinking this is light pretty peacock, dark summer splash. I'm just wondering how that would play in for a little bit of darkness on the end. I think that will work out quite well. Okay, so we're going to do, that'll be a fluffy, well, it's not going to be fluffy because it's flat color, but it'll be white-ish. All right, so I'm going to do a little bit of dark around there, and I might as well just do his. This isn't going to be fancy coloring either, by the way. It's just basic coloring. And now, is that a belt or is that pants or is that, what's the story with that? I have no idea, but we'll do his legs, do his other arm. Okay. And I think I have definitely lost my chat function, so apologies. I am on my own now, I'm pretty sure. So let's just color that in. I don't like it when I lose my chat because then it just feels like I'm talking to myself, which I am, but I'm not because I'm talking to you guys. But now I really feel like I'm on my own. All right. So that bit of dark, like the darker color, the peacock underneath, is just giving me a little bit of a shady color going on. It's just sort of acting like a little bit of a shadow. Gives me a bit of a darker color. Okay, and then we'll go to our light. Like I said, it's just really rough coloring today. And I'm just going to go over that button because if I bring in a black or something like that, I'll just color that in. Okay, and then I've got an ivory here, and we'll do all his skin tone in ivory. I should actually bring in a little bit of pink. I might do a little bit of pink on his cheek maybe. Yeah, he's a very attractive little thing, isn't he? Okay, I'm going to grab nope, that's pretty in pink. I usually go for Flirty Flamingo for a little bit of cheek action going on here. So just going to pop a little bit of Flirty Flamingo light, and then I am going to just color over that with my ivory as well, and that'll tone it down and just be like a little glow. And I need a hair color too now. Oh my gosh, this is rough. Just adding extra marker in some of those shadowy places, like around his ears, under his hat, just to add a little bit more. Oh, ow, pinched my finger again. I'll just bring that up to the screen so you can see where we've got going. Oh, I suppose he's not so ugly. He could be a little bit cute. Okay, just going to grab, what color? Maybe we'll do, what are you? This is a 100. And we'll just give him some dark hair. Oh, you know what would have been cute? If I'd made him a ginger. That would have been super cute. Anyway, he's got dark hair now. All right, and then just to finish off, we'll do a little bit of grey granite. Grey granite? Yes, grey granite. And I'm just going to, what I'm going to do first for this one actually is just lay down a little bit of the colourless blender, and this is just going to wet the cardstock a little bit and get it ready for the grey and help it blend a little bit. And I'm just going to try and flick. The bullet end is not real great for flicking, but I think my, oh no, I've got a good end. I'm going to switch. I have actually got a good end, I think. So I'm just going to add a little bit of grey, on the pom-pom, a little bit of grey on his trim. I don't know whether it's supposed to be black or white or whatever it's supposed to be, but anyway, I'm going to keep it light because we've got so much color going on over here. And I'm just going to come back with my colorless blender and just go over the edge a little bit, just to soften that edge there. That'll soften it down. Okay, there he is. He's going to be done. You could put some Wink of Stella on some of that trim, which I think I might actually do in a little bit. So